Good afternoon and welcome to the Rand Nature Center tour. The Rand Nature Center comprises 100 acres of natural beauty in the heart of Freeport in the Bahamas. A 2,000-foot trail winds through natural coppice and pine forest in the center, located on East Settlers Way in Freeport. The Nature Center is also the headquarter of the Bahamas National Trust. It's in an area that spreads over 100 acres and is a pineland sanctuary. The center was named for James H. Rand, a renowned philanthropist of Freeport who died in 1968. It's the first educational nature center to be established in the Bahamas, and its goal is to preserve the natural Grand Bahamian habitat as a heritage for future generations. You can join guided tours on Tuesday or Thursday starting at 10:30 a.m. It takes around an hour to see the major center. For the disabled traveler, there are also no steps along the path. The area is totally wheelchair accessible, even though some of the paths are dirt. The park contains at least 300 species of native plants, including whiskbroom fern, uniola, agave, and love vine. A birder's paradise, the center houses a variety of bird species that can be seen year-round. Peak birdwatching season is from October to May, when winter residents and migratory birds arrive. The park hosts such things as red-legged thrushes, Cuban emerald hummingbirds, Las Sagras flycatchers, and the Bahamas Yellowthroats. And of course, there are many more. So hopefully you'll enjoy a tour, an accessible tour of the Rand Nature Center in Freeport in the Bahamas. I regularly post videos on all facets of the travel and cruise industry. So if you like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, Chillie chats, and travel and cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video is up or we go live. This video was produced by Chillie's Cruises.